What is the address of your emergency?
I was actually on 7th Avenue in McDowell, and there was a guy walking down the street naked. He was going south down 7th Avenue towards McDowell. And he was in the median, like the middle lane, just walking down the street completely naked.
Thanks, 911. Where is your emergency?
It's on 7th Avenue and I think it's Palm Lane.
Okay,
There's a guy running around naked.
What's going on, man? Y'all good? Why are you walking in the middle of the road?
Satan's trying to take me right now.
Huh?
Satan, the devil.
The devil's trying to take you?
Can't win.
So why are you in the middle of the road naked, though?
Because it's my world.
It's your world?
It's God's world. It's
God.
God's. Express that motherfucker.
Okay. You're
You know
allowed.
who I am.
Huh?
You know who I am.
I don't know.
You can't win. You can't win. You can't win. I see you. I know you are.
Hey, relax. I'm just talking to you, man.
Express this motherfucker.
What's your name?
Express this motherfucker. Express. Express. United States. Rasta.
Okay. Take a breath. You're good, man.
You can't win. You can't win. I see through it. I know you are.
Officers tried to detain Rickman to move him out of the roadway. He resisted, resulting in the struggle going to the ground. During the struggle, Rickman was kicking his legs and hissing at officers.
Stop.
You can't win. You motherfuckers trying to take it. You can't take it.
Stop.
My world.
Roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach.
My world.
Roll on your stomach.
I'm trying to destroy you, motherfucker. You can't win. You can't win. You can't win. You can't win. Express this motherfucker. Defend. Defend. I'm trying to destroy you. I'm squish your fucking head. Stop it. See? Can't win.
Grab his arm. No, Steve. You're good. Steve, control his legs. Get his legs, Steve. Get his legs. Sit on his legs.
You can't
Steve.
win. You can't win. You know
Sit
what
on
I
his
am?
legs.
You can't win.
Roll him over.
No, you ain't gonna do that to you.
You're gonna roll him
You
over.
ain't gonna do that to you.
You're gonna cradle his legs.
You ain't gonna do that. You can't win. You can't have this. You can't have it. It's my world. You're God's people.
Officers attempted to use pressure points on Rickman's mandible to gain compliance and redirect his face away from them to avoid the possibility of being spit on.
Roll over.
Here is video from one of the additional officers who arrived on scene and assisted with detaining Rickman.
You can't win. That's crazy, motherfucker. Fuck you guys.
Okay, his right
You
arm.
guys can't win. You guys can't win. You
Yep.
think you win? You can't win. In my world, it's God's people. You want to push my foot? Defend. Defend. Express. United States Rasta.
Handcuffs.
United States Rasta. United States Rasta. You can't win.
Woo! We need fight?
I'd have a bunny suit.
Try to destroy me.
We can get him to the curb.
Try to destroy my fucking head. Express this motherfucker.
Watch your leg, man.
Can't win. These motherfuckers can't win.
Sit down.
Why is that? This is my world. You're God's people. You motherfuckers can't win. You can't win.
After approximately 10 minutes, while being evaluated by the Phoenix Fire Department, an officer realized that Rickman had lost consciousness. The fire department began life-saving measures and transported Rickman to a local hospital, where he was subsequently pronounced deceased.